Let me take you for a ride, dancing with the lights, our hearts beating like a drum.
So hey guys, this is Dimensity Gaming YouTube channel, and today we're going to talk about the MediaTek MT6893, the 6nm chipset which beats both Dimensity 1000 Plus and Snapdragon 865 SoC. A side-by-side comparison of the GeekBench results of the MediaTek MT6893, Dimensity 1000 Plus and Snapdragon 865 showed some interesting results. While the MediaTek MT6893 and Snapdragon 865 SoCs are on the same level, the Dimensity 1000 Plus is well behind them. Although the manufacturing of the MediaTek MT6893 is 6nm is ahead of the Snapdragon 865, the latter still managed to edge the former in the multi-score test. However, the final version MediaTek will probably beat the Snapdragon 865 SoC. In the single score test, while the MT6893 and the SD865 scored 886 points, Dimensity 1000 Plus scored 765 points. However, in the multi-score test, the MediaTek 8693, the Snapdragon 865 and the Dimensity scores around 2948, 3104 and 2874 respectively. According to a GeekBench test, this chipset has 8 cores. However, we do not know much about this chipset for now. According to a recent report, MediaTek announced last week that it will release a 5G chip with a 6nm process technology. The model name of this 5G chipset is to be MT689X. The last digit of the chipset is not clear. This chipset adopts a ARM Cortex A78 core design. The highest frequency of the main core will be 3 GHz and it will be manufactured by TSMC 6nm. The CPU frequency and the architecture are as same as the Exynos 1080. We can see that MediaTek is really doing to catch up with Qualcomm. Although it is not as to be Qualcomm's level, it appears to be the closing gap with the advent of 5G. In the flagship segment, MediaTek used to be nowhere near Qualcomm, and this is not the case suddenly. The claims are that this processor are at 2.8 GHz A78 with 3 2.6 GHz cores, A178 plus 2 GHz processor, and the base frequency is same as the Exynos 1080. In addition, the chip may have an overclocked version. The Exynos 1080 uses the Samsung's latest 5nm process, but however it uses a 2.8 Cortex A78 core. In addition to the 3 high performance cores of the 2.6 GHz A78 cores, there are also 4 power efficient 2.0 GHz A55 core consumption. According to the previous reports, the MediaTek 689X should be released before the end of this year. However, a Chinese manufacturer will be likely to launch this chip. The front runner up is Xiaomi. The models of these MediaTek chipsets are MT6893 and MT6891. So the above mentioned submodel are MediaTek's official announcement model, but that might not be the same chip. So this is what we have for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. Subscribe to Dimensity Gaming. We provide daily tech videos. You can check out the channel videos. Thank you.
Chase the sun.